In many multi-project environments, it is common practice to give and take commitment dates for completing various tasks. For example, dates for submitting drawings for approval or dates for receiving materials from various suppliers or dates for completing various stages in production so that third-party inspection and logistics can be arranged. So all this giving and taking of dates is required to synchronize various tasks within and outside the company so that delays will be avoided. However, the record of completing tasks by promised dates is poor. This causes difficulties in planning, scheduling, and synchronizing work across various tasks. Eventually, it leads to a culture where people start keeping record of every commitment date and how many times it was revised. Lot of time gets spent in keeping this history, doing reviews, and then blaming each other for delays. Trying to hold people accountable for completing by promised dates or increasing the number of reviews does not help to improve this situation. In such a case, what should the companies do? Let us see. Imagine a person or a machine in front of which there are a series of tasks waiting in queue to be processed by that person or machine. If we want to get correct predicted dates for when each of these tasks will get completed, then what all things should be known? So first, we should have a correct estimate of work involved in each of those tasks. Second, we should know how long that resource will take to process that much work content. Third, we should know capacity of that resource, which means it is available for 8 hours in a day or 16 hours or 24 hours. How long is it available? Fourth, the sequence in which the tasks are going to be done should not change. Okay? If because of urgencies, if we change the sequence of processing, then obviously the dates by which tasks will complete is going to change. So the sequence in which processing will be done should remain fixed. Fifth, there should be no unforeseen delays because of some problems like a machine breakdown or material not available on time or some rework, things like that. If any one of these things is missing, still the predicted dates will go wrong. It is possible to design and implement such a system which will give a significant increase in adherence to completing tasks by promised dates. It requires making changes in SOPs and working policies at many places in the workflow, right from quotation to delivery. So companies should change their focus from trying to do more number of reviews to implementing such a system which will give them lot of benefits.